Hey guys, what's up friends? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle Maddox and today's video we are going to check one interesting tool I found recently. The tool promises to give away free Bitcoin, so is it real or not? This is what I'm going to test right now in this video. As always guys, I'm not telling anyone to do anything. This video is purely for educational entertainment purpose, but I recommend you to watch from the beginning to the end so you can understand what I'm talking about and how I test these tools. Okay. If you don't know me yet, I have my own Telegram channel where I share all the information I find, and you can pause the video right now and find it. Just be careful and use only the official links. Alright guys, and here I have an interesting post. So let me find it quickly. Yeah, here it is. Everything I do here, I will show you live here, step by step, and you will see the whole entire process exactly as I do it. Okay, so let's start. I'm opening that game, and here guys I have a tool that's supposed to improve the quality of this game, and today I'm going to test it live. Okay, and here guys there is a section I'm choosing, yeah, and there's a small conditions here, so let me quickly complete them. It's actually not a big deal for me, just give me literally 1 minute and I'll handle this. And while I'm doing guys, so you can drop a like on this video and leave a comment. I usually read all the comments, so if you have any ideas about what kind of tools I can test next, so you can just send a comment below this video, right? I will definitely check it out. Okay, so now I just need to wait a few seconds for the update. I'm gonna wait here. All right, come on. Usually it responds real fast, so yeah, as you can see it's already updated. All right, so it's time to go back, and let me just close the game and press complete. So I think it's better to open the game again, so I'm gonna launch it right now and I'm gonna wait a bit. So it's gonna be, yeah, it's already here. That's really awesome. Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna press here and the loading is starting. All right, so let's watch how it works, and I'm actually a bit impressed right now. Yeah, so and yeah, look at this. This is exactly what I'm going to test today. So let me do a quick choice here. This is what I need to set up like that. Okay, so that's gonna be nice for today. And now I need to see one more time where they're located, so let me just swipe down. So okay, here and there, that's okay. So I'm gonna just pull here and there. Come on, yeah, whoa, whoa, look at that guys, look at that guys, holy moly. Alright, so I'm gonna try to send everything back because this is the main reason why I'm recording this video right now. So I'm gonna just simply do a quick adjustments here. Okay, so there I will go in, and here guys I need to take my information. I'm gonna grab that one. I'm gonna go back to the game, so and simply just enter it like that and confirm. Wow guys, okay, so that's updated, that's really nice. I'm gonna close the app, right? And in fact this tool, it looks nice guys. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. I'm going to back to my main and I'm gonna check the update because really I can't wait guys. I can't believe it that that's real. So I'm just want to refresh the page. Come on guys, come on. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god, as you can see right now guys, everything is already here. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it's all happened literally in front of your eyes guys, everything in the place. I'm gonna check one more time. Yeah, this is not a dream guys. Oh my god. So yeah, if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this information with your friends, and thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in another one.